Day 2 of the Sailing Champion League here in Geelong. Very shifty conditions. Has racing team and with Will Sargent on the helm coming into finals with a 1 point advantage.
So what does that mean? What do you got to do?
We just need to win one race for the win for this event, and then we've qualified already for the finals.
Oh, that finish was the closest racing I've had in a long time. So we were lucky that we managed to get down enough to block their wind a little bit and sail through on the pin. No, Will's got the extra points, and now we've levelled up on him. So yeah, we'll go into this next race and see if we can knock them all off the game. His goose wing in the first leg was really that's what got him through Ollie and really caught up to us. So yeah, I used to match race with him, and that's a strategy that we've used quite a lot in the asymmetric. So yeah, it was really good by him.
Well, with the other guys having won a race each, it's pretty much a winner takes all. So to stay alive, we kind of just had to risk it. So we just went the complete other end to them, and fortunately, it paid for us. It's so shifty here. You never know what happens. So that's basically the strategy. We just flip the coin, hit the pin end, and went. So.
Oh well, we basically had to win. Otherwise, whoever won that race would take the series. Well, that's after 3 minutes. So we're like, oh, we'll give that a red hot crack.
Got the jibe in against Alex, who really sailed really well in those last two, to be leading both of them. And luckily the guys said to me, come down, Sarge is there. So yeah, no, credit to these guys. I think in that last race, and the other one that we were leading that we didn't win was all SS factor, skipper stupidity. So I've had a few of those this week, and these guys have kept me level. So yeah, it's been fantastic.
We'll see you up in Sydney at the final.
Yeah, Chapo, look out.